In our quiz, participants can win points in various categories. In each category, there are multiple questions with different point values. The quiz is structured similarly to Jeopardy, where participants first select the points they want to win and then receive the corresponding question. Under the quiz section, all the quizzes that have already been created are listed. How to create them is explained in another video. In this video, we will walk through an already created quiz. I already have the quiz Jeopardy active. I've started 2 sessions, Team 1 and Team 2. For demonstrating purposes, I'll start the quiz for the 3rd time with Team 3. Each time I start, I assign a unique room name for my teams. This allows me to have different teams compete against each other and always see which team is currently leading. If I don't want to do that, I can start the quiz only once. I click on Start Session and assign the room name Team 3. I start and, as the moderator, I immediately see that there are already 2 teams and their average points. Whether this information should be displayed to the participants or projected on the screen is up to you and can be set in the settings. I log in as a participant in my Team 3 room. I see the different points for the various categories, each hiding a question. Geography 100, 200, 300 and so on. I select any question and intentionally provide an incorrect answer. The answer is highlighted in red and the correct answer is shown in green. Let's take another question. Answer this. This time our answer is correct. Let's repeat this with another question. After answering all my questions, as a participant, I click on Send Results. Here I can provide my name and email address. In the settings, this can also be declared as a mandatory field. If I don't provide this information, my performance won't be visible and I won't be able to win the quiz. Using my navigation, I can manage the room and, for example, return to administration to start additional sessions or teams. Once my quiz is complete, I close all open sessions and check the results in the evaluations. I click on Evaluations and then under Quizzes for today's quiz. I can see the participants and their respective points. I can also determine a winner if the participant has entered their data. Enjoy trying it out!